What is up, everyone? This is Turtles, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows 10 update error code KB5058379. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to update your Windows and you're basically not able to update this specific Windows version, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is to go to search bar and type in troubleshoot until you see this troubleshoot settings pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooters, and in here you're going to see something called Windows Update. There's a troubleshooter for your Windows Update, so whenever you get stuck, always do this, run this troubleshooter, and this usually fixes a lot of these issues or troubleshooting concerns that basically end up happening. The next thing you want to do if this doesn't resolve the full issue is to go to your search bar and type in services, and in here just type in Windows and find something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. In here, if this service is started, you can restart the service from here, but if not, double click into this, change your startup type to automatic from whatever else it may be, and if your service is running, stop it and start it again, and if it's not running, start it, press apply, press OK, and then essentially restart your computer and try to Windows Update again. Once you do this, you should be good to go and not have any update issues persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Turtles out. Peace.